How to delete a page in Word, single or multiple pages. Need to delete one page, or several specific pages, from a Word document. Word doesn't have a dedicated delete page button, but you can still remove exactly the pages you don't need. Here are 2 easy methods, including a faster way to delete multiple pages. Method 1. Use Word's Go To feature. Click anywhere on the page you want to delete. Press Ctrl+G to open the Go To dialog box. In the Enter Page Number box, type \page. Press Enter, and then close the dialog. Word automatically selects all content on the current page. Press Delete to remove the page. The selected page is now removed from the document. This works well for one page, but you must repeat the steps for every additional page. To delete current or multiple specified pages more efficiently, use Kutools for Word. Method 2. Use Kutools for Word's Delete Page feature. First, download and install Kutools for Word, and then open your document. To remove the current page, place the cursor anywhere on that page. Go to the Kutools Plus tab. Click Delete Page. And select Delete Current Page. The current page is removed immediately. To remove several pages, click Delete Page again. And select Delete Specified Page. Enter page numbers or ranges, such as 3, 6, 8, 10. Click OK to delete all the specified pages together. All specified pages are now removed from the document. Kutools deletes one or multiple pages without requiring you to select each page manually. Use Word for an occasional single page, or use Kutools for faster page cleanup.